everybody, thank you for joining me. Today in Miss G's class, I'm going to go through our science class because they have a test on Friday and they really want me to explain it to them. One of the things that we're learning is cells. What are cells? I kind of tell them the only way to make it easier for them to understand is like building blocks. You're building blocks, you're creating cells, and we're learning words like nucleus and organisms and why cells functions are so important to our body. So I really hope this video, you like it and enjoy it, and let me know what you think at the end. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me. Today in science, I've been going through the cells and structures and their functions. Here, what they're talking about, they're explaining the stadium and how fun it is to cheer on your favorite team and how the stadium has to do with your cells. I have a couple of ideas. If you look at the stadium as a whole cell, and the cells are tiny units that make up the living things, this is your stadium that makes all the parts work together. Now, when we're talking about this cell and the stadium, I know it's kind of hard to understand, and this is why I'm doing it, because my kids are like, Miss G, I still don't understand it 100%. If you look at the walls of the cell and the stadium, the walls are what we could call the cell membranes. This is very important because they keep the cells safe inside. So when you look at the stadium, everybody is safe inside. You got to go through security. There's a wall, there's structure, there's a roof, and you have everything protecting you. Now, just as the walls are very important, so is the people, the food, and even the trash. We have to take the trash out during certain gates, and the membranes controls what enters and leaves the cells. This is the nutrients that goes into your body, and then the trash is kind of the cells getting rid of the waste. So I know a lot of my students are now starting to understand that. Also, trash leaving your body is like the waste leaving the cells. After people eat and leave trash behind, the stadium needs to get rid of it. Similar to cells that have waste product, you need to leave it. Now, the other thing that's very important is the stadium function. The stadium function is kind of like the host of the game and keeping things running smoothly, similar to cell bodies that carries its functions and keeps the organisms alive. Each part of the cells, the membranes, the nucleus, all these little parts that come together are so important, just like the stadium, like the walls, the gates, the food stands. This creates a successful game. I really hope that this makes sense, and I hope everybody gets an A this Friday. Thank you for enjoying this video. I really hope that you're going to enjoy more science information and you're going to get an A this Friday. Hope the best for all of you guys. Have a good day.